Alright, so we started our journey in Makati, where we were staying at condo. So this is within the Poblacion area. So we headed out to the airport at this point, and hopefully, hey, there's the crew right there.
Say hi. All right, we just got seated. We are on our way to Bohol, Tagbilaran.
So pretty much made it after an hour to Tagbilaran, Bohol. This is their international airport. There's that guy. I don't know him, but seems pretty cool. Anyway, it's a lot of people just trying to get past this ocean of humanity here. Something that they're doing now is they're inspecting for some meat products that you're bringing in from wherever you're coming from. And we're just headed to our hotel.
This is our hotel for 6 days. Oh, sauna. Asa man ang gym dong? Kanara dito. Oh, gym way. This way for the gym. Oh, nice. Wow. 2.7.
It's pretty convenient. That gym is right over there. Yeah, this is a $20 a night hotel. So.
Oh, nice. Wow, wow, wow. Room check. Room check, people. Thank you. Ganda ba? Okay.
Ganda.
Yeah, it's good. Like it.
I don't yung single ata ka na. Ganda na.
Love it.
Yeah, folks, for $20, not complaining. It's very spacious and it's a lot of room for
Thank you.
3 or 4 people.
Sige lang pa na.
All right, I'm hungry. Wants to go out for food. Oh man, I miss this place. This road right here reminds me of what a province can be. At the same time, you still feel that energy and vibe of like the island. Although it's kind of busy, but still get the island.
So we just arrived in Panglao to go to Jollibee and get something to eat before we head out to the beach. There's the crew. Check out this place. Man, I love the whole.
We're pretty much just walking down the Panglao beach here and showing you what new changes they have. As you can see, actually those kind of dikes that they put in there, it helps to protect the sand from going in and getting eaten by the ocean, I guess. And some people like it, some people don't, but that's the new thing that they have. And it stretches all the way to the other side where Henan Beach is. So, yeah.
Chicken.
Okay na pare.
Okay, so we're on our way to Tagbilaran port, going to Dumaguete. So in a few minutes we'll be embarking on it's like a ferry ride, Dumaguete, and then we'll be going to Secure later after this.
Now the plan was to go to Siquijor, but as you can see, the weather's not cooperating right now. It's been raining since morning, and I heard that there's some storm coming up. So we'll see. We'll find out later what happened next.
This is what we have to deal with.
A lot more traffic than we expected, but I think also because part of that is it's just been raining.
Not the traffic, but the rain plus the traffic.
And we finally made it to the Tagbilaran port, where we hop on a ferry to go to Dumaguete. So it should be a pretty quick one, or so we thought, but you'll find out.
Tagbilaran port.
Dili man, kung ano man, nila pwede bagis mo.
Diretso.
Sige, diretso.
Ano ba yung mga idol na to?
Oh, kuba ka ba? Abang kami dito.
Ayun, ayun po. Ay, wala.
So we're finally walking, going up to the ferry here, and we should be
Dumaguete?
boarding pretty soon.
Oh, diretso, diretso.
Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, we gotta go the other way. Yeah, it's pretty organized, I would say, for the most part. You know, and they're trying to be safe, so they have limited amount of people. They're not trying to stock a bunch of people in one ferry, so they have.
Pikas.
My mom, God bless her heart, she's 78, and yeah, she's still rocking as far as like trying to do adventure like this one.
And dahan-dahan ka dyan, may step yan. Sorry. Sa class A, sa tourist class.
Yes, ma'am.
Left. Dito.
Dito ba?
Ano tayo? 187. Ano bang seat yan? 187 o 1B? Kung maintindihan.
Ito.
Hindi, ito yung seat number. Excuse me.
Yeah, Yeah, we have some nasty waves. I think it's from the typhoon. That's about a day away.
Dapat pala,
Welcome to Dumaguete.
Una namin matinalog.
Thank goodness the rain has stopped. So we're now going to the hotel.
So we just made it to our hotel, so now we're just trying to find lunch, and we found this place called Lantau. Supposed to be good, so we'll see.
Boy, it's been raining like heck. Can't even enjoy anything. Look at this. We're just making the most of it.
This glass.
All right.
After waiting for almost 45 minutes, we finally got our food. Looks scrumptious, I gotta be honest.
We're going to Mamu's hometown. This is her hometown. Right there. Sa Bonguita, 22.
ayan na. Kita ko na malapit.
Dawin! Woo!
Dito ako pinanganak.
Doon sa bukid. Negros Oriental, 3rd District. Siyempre, congressman. Lang kumita. It is dark and dreary. My goodness. Rock.
Basta once a month umuwi siya sa
Beautiful.
Nature.
Nice.
Si Pap.
Ito, delikado rito. May landslide dito. Ayan,
Charot.
pala.
Yung palang calls, hindi ko rin nakita. Ito yung sulpa.
Natural, eh.
Doon yan mama sa falls ng gagaling. Dito mas maganda dito. Mamaya mama send ko sa ibang picture. Malamig yan, yung pulang bato na falls. Tapos yung isa, yung Red Rock Hot Springs. Wala yan.
Whoa. We're deep in the jungle now. We are now deep in the jungle. Look at this. Oh man. This is red rocks. Sweet. Wow. Look at this Mother Nature. Thank you, God. It's wonderful nature. Look at that. It's actually houses over here. Right. Come back down. So we are at a place called Red Rocks Falls or Springs. It's supposed to be a hot spring, so we'll see how hot it is in a few minutes. We're gonna go dip, take a dip, and see how hot it is. But yeah, this is in Dumaguete. Look at that. Took the harder path, but this is supposed to be the easy one. Oh, there's the restaurant. Super cool. Alright, I assume they have a place to change here, but I'm just gonna get into relaxation. Red rocks. There she is. There's the hot springs. Hot spring. Hot spring.
Picture.
Tucked into the lush highlands of Valencia lies one of Negros Island's coolest natural oddities, the sulfuric mountain. Locals call this area the Smoky Mountain, which steams and sulfuric-rich gases constantly seep from the earth, giving off the unmistakable rotten egg scent in the air. So there you have it. Wari wap. What a beautiful sight. I can't get enough of this. I know. Super. This one's pretty cool too. Like the side of the road falls. That is the oh no. Wow, look at this. Sometime work. Right here. Baba na. Ay, sige, sige. Pause na. For third location. It's called the Lighthouse. Wow, what a special place. Super cool.
Wala lang for discount
Ama, sir, the picture. It's me ba to?
bato.
Diyan, para makita lang yung ano, Tierra Cafe. Na. It's the DRE. So we are what's called the Lighthouse, but it's called the Tierra Cafe. I suggest if you haven't been to this place, it's freaking awesome. As you can see in the background, that is a lighthouse. That's far from the ocean, but still pretty cool. I want to show you more, a little bit about this place. Here. Aquatica. This looks cool. Right. Uh-oh. Sorry, Coco. No pets allowed. Oh, so this is the pool area. Wow. Freaking cool. My goodness. Look at that vista. Look at that mountain view. Montana Vista. Sweet. It's definitely worth the money here. Maybe $1.60 for the entrance. And I think for the swim it's $200 per person, but you get this. Sweet. Alright, we're heading out. This is our last day in Dumaguete, so we're going back to Bohol, riding back a ferry back to Bohol. This morning it was scary because they said there was a typhoon. It looks like there is one, but there have been torrential rain since we got here, so we couldn't get any good footage. But right now it's been just dreary. No rain so far, so kind of like that. But let me show you this. It's awesome. Definitely coming back to this place. Wow. Yeah, definitely coming back to this place. Don't know when, but maybe on my next vacation. But this has been a pretty cool 2 days. Been a great experience so far. As you can see earlier, we were at the hot springs. So this is it. Oh my goodness. Whew. Wow. Jeez.
Thank you so much. Mainit lang ang panahon.
So, sorry. Balik lang ta. Doon lang. Sige. Sige. Apating ka lang. Apating. You get free breakfast. Room check. Wow. Nice spacious room. Oof. What we got here? Oh, nothing. Nothing much. All right. I'm gonna go explore out there. Oh, nice. Woo. Wow. Sweet. Now we got the sun. So the reason we're here right now, we have to extend one more day because they canceled the Roro, the ferry. They canceled the ferry because of typhoon, supposedly. But funny thing is that when we got here, there was more rain than right now. Look at this. There's even the sun right there. So, you know, I guess we're going back inside now. Check back our room. That's the escalator, elevator. And here we go.
Order ulit.
Yep. Look like it. Sand in motion.
Ganda daw.
Maganda ako, paatras ko. We go in there. Uy, uy. Lakaan naman tayo. Chaklok. Need to get my bags. This place is amazing. Look at it. Man. Wow. Totally worth the 200 pesos per person food. Take a look at this. Let's go into the bathroom. It's right there. The restroom. Check out these vines. Amazing. Wow. Alright, let's check out the pool area. Like multiple pools. But the water that runs through here, I believe coming from the falls or from the mountains. So these are natural flow from the mountains going to all these different pools here, layers of pools. So very pretty. And they have the house here. I guess you could rent this for accommodation, which would be pretty sweet, I'd say. Alright, let's explore some more places here. Andon.
Sana doon yung may nakalagay na The Barn.
Wow, ang dumi ng camera. Ito sa may ano din ako. Editing ko lang yung ginawa ko. Diba?
Ano ulitin yung safety? Nandito ako sa April Experience. So, nang copy yung dati. Hindi naman siguro ako mag-beach. Yung? Ay,
Hindi.
okay.
Nakita ko ginagawa.
Saan? Maliwan. Ako nga yung ano ko, yung snorkel ko.
Kasi nga ang gawin nga kasi ano, diving site.
Baka may coral.
Meron yan, ano, nag-ano eh. Ah, hindi maganda mo dito.
Maliwan. Kaya lang.
Hindi, ayun.
Black sand.